So now let's see how real-time collaboration is possible in Jamboard. So in order to do that, you can see that I got two windows open up right here with two different users. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new Jamboard. So I'm going to press the plus button right here. So a new Jamboard is created. So now I'm going to click the share button right here. So once I do that, the share window will pop up, and over here I'm going to select my second account, and I'm going to make the other account the editor, and then I'm going to send that out. So once I do that, they will be able to view the Jamboard right here. So the untitled Jamboard, you can see that is in their access as well. So now the other person can simply open that out. So now you'll be able to see the person right here, as you can see. So I can see that the other user is active right over here. So I can go around and draw something, and over here on the other section, you can see that the same drawing is there. I can erase that drawing out, and then you can see that the drawing will be erased over here. They can add in something right here like information, like sticky note. You can go around and then draw things right here and so forth. So whatever you do, it'll be updated in real time, as you can see. So you can resize that out, and you then again can go around and then change it. So at real time, they can say, no, this one right here. And then the other person can say this one right here, and so forth, and can collaborate real time. And this is very, very useful for discussions when you're discussing with one another online, and there's a particular space you want to use where you can like brainstorm your ideas. And you can also go around with your pointer and so forth right here, just like this. And then the pointer will actually point out in that particular color right there, and the other person will be able to understand what one particular person is pointing at, and so forth. And that is how you can do real-time collaboration inside of Jamboard between two users. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.